Alright, we're back again. I've got this thing here, so this is all I've got. And I'm going to try and use this, which you can't really see, but you have to trust me on this. So here are the cables coming out of it. I'm going to attach this one to the blue wire, and then I'm going to attach this one to the purple wire. And then I'm going to go back yet again to my little picture and just double check and remind myself that this one here is the positive and that one there is the negative. Alright, I'm not going to leave it sitting like that. It's going to sit right there. Give me a second. I'm just going to put it all the way up to 12 volts exactly. And I'm going to say all the way up to 1 amp maximum by so it's current limited. What's it doing? Alright, give me a second. Alright, current limited at 1 amp, and it's going to go, it's voltage limited at 12 volts. So let us turn it on. So on. Alright, it's drawing 12, it's drawing 0.018 amps. So let's try pressing the power button. And we're still not getting anything. So even after all of that, oh, it's trying to turn on. The current definitely goes up to, so the current drawn is now 130 amps. But nothing is showing up. So maybe we do have to plug it in to, so I'm going to turn it off for a second. Alright, because you know, this is one of those kind of situations where you don't really want to blow it up. So 7, and that's a bit strange. So 4, we were going to do video input number 1 is those two. A bit strange. Alright, so there we go. This is going to be my video input. Just double checking that. 5 and 4. Alright. Maybe, where did I put my little game system thing? It's here. I'm just going to quickly, no, that's good enough. That's fine. This giant mess is fine. Maybe we should just go straight onto the cable though. Alright. So the easiest way of doing that is I'm going to put the black one on the crocodile clips and put that on the middle, which is the yellow wire, and then the other yellow wire, what a mess. I'm just going to touch directly onto here once I've got it going, so that at least I can get that part working. But what if this one is the wrong connector? So I've got the real problem here that I'm going to turn, where did I put it? Can't turn my TV on. I don't know where the plug is. Well, that's sad. It should be. Right, it's attached to this thing. Oh, it's already plugged in. Okay, cool. Give me a second, because I'm just going to plug this into an actual television, which you can't see. And I'm going to turn it on. And I'm going to see if I'm getting any video output. Because that could be a bad start to the day. I'm turning my light off. No, okay, well then we'll try that one. And, well, that doesn't actually give any, oh, it's not even turned on, okay. Is there anything else that could, oh, it does work, okay. It's in black and white for some reason, so that's not so good. But we do get video output from this thing. So, let's not get all the different cables mixed up, because there's 2 black ones. I should have really used a different color, shouldn't I? Alright, just so that I don't get confused with the power cables and plug that into my little tiny game system, because that would make me sad. This is going to be the green. And what did I think would be the ground? Probably the center one. Maybe the center one. Now, actually, I would think the ground would be the outside one, to be honest. So I'm going to switch that around. So that's now the center one. This is such a mess. But it's going to work. It is going to work. Alright, I'm going to turn it back on again. Alright, and then I'm going to press the power button. And the current drawer does go up when you press the power button. So I'm going to touch that against it. Hey, look at that! That took a long time to get that to work. Alright. We can go to English, press that, press start, and not play Angry Birds, it's terrible. Super Mario Brothers, start. Dun, 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 dun. And it's all got really funny colours on this one. I don't know if that's to avoid copyright. But hey, alright, so we've got it to work. We know that it works. We just have the problem with the power supply. But that's made me kind of happy. Because it means, well, actually we'll just finish off by making a slightly better plug. So that one can go into here, because I don't know if these things work, and I don't know what this one is. I assume that's the, right, hold on. Well, we're still plugged in and we're still working, so if I swap these over. Right, what colour wires did I use? I used red again. Why was I using red? That was the whole point of changing them over with the white one. Nope. 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 Alright, so if we plug them in that way, that works. Now we are going to turn it off from this thing. After all of that, and then I'm going to go back to this little contraption. So I'm going to unplug this and unplug this one, and then I'm going to plug that into here. Where's the little screwdriver? We just use this little screwdriver. How many screwdrivers are we going to go through in one evening? It would seem like all of them. What a messy way of doing things. I've got like the wires literally hanging off me right next to each other. Something's bound to happen. I'm like that electro boom channel, except I'm not, because you're not going to get any sparks in here. I'd be pretty saddened by myself if I got sparks everywhere. Well, the good thing is we know, because I did try wiring it up the wrong way, that that's a bad thing. So here we go. We're plugging this thing back in again. You can't see it, but I'm plugging. This is the terrible thing, right? You can't see. This would be this is the kind of video that I have to admit would be cooler if you could look at that. This is a different one. If you could actually see what I was doing. All right, so turning it, pressing the power button. Hey, it works. It works off the power. It works off the thing. Yay! And so we now can play the game. I can't play the game because I'm looking at it upside down. Wait, how does this work? Time up. What? I only just got started. The picture quality is not that good, is it? But that's okay. Dun, 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 dun. And there's no sound, but we can work that out later on. Ooh, I have to play it this way because I'm basically playing it as a one button game, because I'm just pressing forward the whole time and only pressing one button and not doing anything else, which is quite neat. So this is me playing this game. Upside down. Can I do the whole level? I can do the whole level. This does not look like the normal level. Right? This is not the... Whoa! I did it! With only pressing the button. Yay! Yeah, so normally this is how it's supposed to look. because when you play this little thing on a normal screen, the colors are all wrong. So that's a shame, but hopefully everything else will be fine. So thanks for watching. That was so tedious and so ridiculous, but we got there in the end. So we are going to be using this thing. I'm going to make a better adapter to this. Actually, we're going to work out how to take it apart. It's not very stable, is it? It's got the wire touching each other. Take it apart and drill some holes into it and try and put the sockets directly onto it. Now that we've worked out what the wires and everything do and it's all fine. So that's going to be the next project. So I'm probably going to do that completely off camera and just show you what I did. But thanks for watching, and like, share and subscribe, or don't, because that was terrible. Bye!